Welcome to this tutorial on how to read Google Analytics filters. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website traffic and behavior. And filters are a crucial part of it. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of reading Google Analytics filters step by step. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics filters are used to narrow down your data to a specific subset of traffic. They help you to exclude or include traffic based on certain conditions, such as IP address, location, or device type. There are two main types of filters: predefined filters and custom filters. Predefined filters are built-in filters that Google Analytics provides, while custom filters are created by you to suit your specific needs. To read Google Analytics filters, you need to navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account. From there, click on the view you want to work with, and then click on Filters. You will see a list of filters that are currently applied to your view. Each filter has a name, type, and description. The name of the filter tells you what the filter does. The type tells you whether it is a predefined or custom filter, and the description provides more details about the filter. Let's look at an example of a filter. Suppose you have a filter named Exclude Internal Traffic. This filter is a predefined filter that excludes traffic from your internal IP address. The description of this filter would tell you that it excludes traffic from the IP address range of your company's internal network. When reading Google Analytics filters, it's essential to understand the different types of filter fields. The most common filter fields are IP address, location, device type, and browser type. You can use these fields to create custom filters that suit your specific needs. For instance, you can create a filter to include only traffic from a specific country or region. Best practices for reading Google Analytics filters include regularly reviewing your filters to ensure they are still relevant and accurate. You should also test your filters to make sure they are working as expected. Additionally, it's a good idea to document your filters so that you can easily understand what each filter does and why it was created. In conclusion, reading Google Analytics filters is a crucial part of understanding your website traffic and behavior. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can become proficient in reading Google Analytics filters and use them to gain valuable insights into your website traffic. Remember to regularly review and test your filters, and document them for future reference. With practice and experience, you will be able to unlock the full potential of Google Analytics filters and make data-driven decisions to drive your business forward.